How to send automated emails from Mailchimp. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we will be covering how you can get started with your marketing campaigns on Mailchimp and how you can build a automated campaign on Mailchimp. Now, keep in mind for this, you do have to upgrade to a premium plan on Mailchimp. So even if you're on the free plan, you can actually access the automations, you can build one, but to actually publish your automation or to actually send those automated emails, you do have to upgrade to at least their essentials plan, starting at $13 per month, which includes 5,000 email sends as well as a number of automations. And you also have some limited creative assistant tools as well as reporting and analytics. Then you also have the standard plan at $20 per month, where you have more users as well as more email sends. Now we're going to get started on our free account on Mailchimp to build our campaign. And when you decide that you want to launch your campaign, you can upgrade your account then. Now to send an automated email, we will first begin by drafting the email that we want to use. Now you can always use a pre-existing template. You can click on create on the top left and you can choose whichever type of email you want. If you have a regular email, if you want to build an automation or a landing page. And we're going to click on create journey over here, and this will show us the overview for the Mailchimp journeys that we can create. Now you have two options whenever you're building a automated email sequence on Mailchimp. First off, you can either choose to build from scratch or you can choose a pre-built journey. Now, if you take a look at the popular pre-built journey, it includes welcoming new contacts, recovering abandoned carts, having to send an email to a certain tag or segmentation of customers, celebrating customer birthdays, and more. Now, let's click on choose a pre-built journey and I'll show you guys some of the templates that are available. So you guys can see, first off, we have welcoming new customers, then we also have nurturing leads. We have different categories of pre-built journeys provided to us on Mailchimp. Now, let's say I want to welcome new contacts, and this is one of the most standard emails that you get whenever you sign up for any type of website or forum or platform. It usually gives you a welcome to our business email, so this is that kind of automation. So if you want to make this automation, simply choose this pre-existing template. Now you guys will see contact signs up to an audience, send email, and it will send the welcome email. So you can click on use this journey, click on continue, and this will automatically put together the journey. So customer signs up to janedoe.inc. Now, if you have a different starting point for your customer journeys, you can add a secondary starting point as well as a primary one. You can edit your original one, but if there are two starting points, you can also add two now, which was not a feature that was previously provided by Mailchimp. So let's say whenever contact activity, when someone signs up for an email, and I'm going to save this starting point like this, and I can't have duplicate starting points. So whenever someone signs up to janedoe.inc or whenever a pre-existing contact is signed up, or let's say that whenever, let's say we have contact activity, and when the audience field changes, so let's say the audience field changes their first name and changes to, maybe they change their name to anything else, so you can add your own custom journey, but I just want a simple welcome email. Then I want to create an email and I want to send that welcome email. So for that, we are going to start building our email. So we can click on design with a template. So you can click on select a template over here, and this will actually open up the Mailchimp email builder and all the templates that are available with it. So first off, you have some basic templates that are just basic layouts for you to fill out. Then if you take a look at the different niches provided, you can choose a particular type of niche. So if we want to sell products, we can choose those templates, and you can really create any type of email. You guys can see they have thank you emails, they have multiple different types of emails such as seasonal products, events, as well as exploration of products, getting started, about us emails, thank you emails. So I think I'm just going to continue with the creative assistant email, and you guys can see there are a bunch of different emails, but I'm gonna go with a simpler one. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and we are going to use the minimal email design like this one, and I'm just gonna click on apply over here, and then we have our logo added, or if I want to replace the logo, I can, resize it. And on the left, we can also link to our logo that might be uploaded online. Then I am going to enter welcome to Jordan. And then I just want to add thanks for signing up to our newsletter, like this. And then you can add an image over here. You can click on add, click on upload image, and if there is any image you want to insert over here, so let's say I want to insert some images reflective of my business, I'm just going to click on open over here, and then we have our button text, and then we can add shop now. We're going to link to a particular web address, and then on top of our button, I'm going to add the buy now text like this, buy now. And then if I want to add more sections within this email, I can, drag some content from the left panel over here. Our new collection is out now. Shop the latest styles for less than $100. Like this. And once you have completed the overall layout and style, you guys can see you can insert application based elements as well. You also have videos you can insert, paragraphs, buttons, social media icons, and then you even have your layout. So if you want two things to be represented, if you want some text on the side of your image, you can do that with different layouts. Then you even have your styles, so you can change the color of your email like this. We have our background color. Then we have the body color of our email. Let's say we want this to be pink. Let's choose this over here, a pale pink. And then we have the text color, link color, and then we can optimize the overall performance of our mail. Now, once you have set up your email completely, you're going to click on save and return to journey on the top right. Now, this will show you the basic automation that you're building. So our automated email is whenever someone signs up to janedoe.inc, I want to send email, and this welcome email will be sent. Now, after that, you will see on the left panel, you have the journey builder, and the contact can repeat to the journey if they sign up again to janedoe.inc. Then you have your settings. So there is a certain marketing objective to this. We want to nurture relationships, and you can also use Google Analytics to track the performance. Then you have the repetition, so I don't want to repeat this journey for my customers. And once you have built this automation, you can go on ahead and click on publish on the top right. So if I click on all journeys, this is our journey. I can click on finish setup or publish on the top right to just upgrade. So you can click on upgrade to continue, and your automation will be created, and now you can send automated emails. Before you do publish, make sure to send a test email to yourself to see what the email is going to look like in the mailbox. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.